Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here from aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2019 with Bulgari, looking at the brand new record-setting Bulgari Octo Finissimo Chronograph GMT automatic. This is the thinnest mechanical chronograph in the world. It is an automatic. It has a 30-minute chronograph as well as a GMT function. So you see there's a pusher on the side here that moves the main time zone hand. Very convenient. The chronograph is operated as normally. The case is 42 millimeters wide in sandblasted titanium with a matching sandblasted titanium dial. It is 6.1 millimeters thick. Very attractive, comfortable, distinctive. The price is $17,000. You can see more about the Bulgari Octo Finissimo Chronograph GMT automatic on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.